Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Trading Ideas. In today's video, we will see the Bank Nifty range it will be trading in the coming week. Also, those who are option writers, we will share the strike prices and values which are likely to be zero by coming Thursday. So watch till the end as we will be discussing two main topics today. So let's start with our video. As you can see here, the Bank Nifty has closed at 17286.10 paisa. Here is the Bank Nifty future price we are observing now. So today is 23rd May. On 22nd, it gave closing at 17286 rupees. Here I have drawn a number of support and resistance areas. What are the support and resistance areas? Actually, they are basically the areas where the prices are likely to reverse if any of the price these candles are trading near the resistance area. For this prices, the resistance area is here. So the prices are likely to reverse. We can see the prices have been reversed from a resistance area. Here again the prices have reversed from a resistance area. So the resistance area and the support areas are the area where the prices are tend to reverse, and if the support and resistance area breaks, here it has given a breakout, the resistance area have broke, so then the trend may continue further. Then if the prices are closed above or it has given a breakout and sustained above this level or resistance level, then it can be said that the trend will be continued to be in a uptrend further in the coming sessions. So now here are the last close prices 17286. So our nearest support is this one 17044. This is our nearest support, and this is our nearest resistance. Likewise, this is our support 1, this is the support 2, and this is our support 3. As we can see in the support 1, support 2 and support 3, the gap between support 1 and 2 is around 700, and the gap between support 2 and support 3 is around 300. Likewise, for this is the resistance 1, 17346. This is the resistance 2, 17761, and this is our resistance 3, 18170. We can see this third resistance is a very strong resistance at it has given multiple times reversal from our resistance area. Same way, the support area, this channel has not yet break. It has been trading here in this channel in this particular range only. Now how the support and resistance to work? For this we can check our previous trading sessions so that it will be easy for us to understand that how the support and resistance are working and how we can take our positions upon these levels. So as we can see, let's see for 20 May. For 20 May, this one 17346 is the support, while 17761 is the resistance. It since morning it has been trading in this range only, in this particular range only, and after the breakout from the resistance area, it moved up, and we can see the next resistance was 18170, and it took reversal and it started falling till 17044, means around 700 points it fell from our resistance area. We can further check for even more. And also I have drawn a trend line here. This one, this red line, you can see this is the trend line, and this is also the trend line. And we can see the prices since 28th of April, 27th and 28th of April till the current date. We can see the bank nifty has been trading in the same range. You can see it has not even given the breakout. Here the range was pretty big, and further we can see the range. Here we can see the range has become shorter, and it can give a breakout or breakdown anytime. And after the breakdown or breakout, we can see a very good movement. So likewise, we can see some more support and resistance, so that it will be easy for us to know how this particular works. See here again, we had seen for 20 May. Okay, we had seen for this one. So in 19th May, it has been trading here. It has given a breakout, but you can see the closing was not given. That is, the levels were not sustained above the resistance. So it is the false breakout, and later we can see it gave closing and started moving up towards the resistance area, and later again it fall back. It again took a support at 17344, and again it moved up and at the resistance area of 18170. So we have seen that the range was basically trading between 18170 to 17044, and here yesterday it has given a breakout from 17344. From here it given a breakout yesterday, and we can see further, if on Tuesday, if the prices move upward, you can go long on the position if the bank nifty is able to break 17346. If the levels are broke and sustained above the levels for 2 to 3 minutes, you can go for buy opportunity. You can take a long position in bank nifty with a stop loss near the support. Whereas if bank nifty is able to break this area, then you can go for short with the target of S2 support 2, that is 16700, with the stop loss of R1. This is the resistance 1. I will prefer, since the bank nifty is trading in this area, do not take your position. Wait for the confirmation and take your position accordingly. We can also check them in different time frames, but usually I prefer a 15-minute chart for taking any trade. Right now I opened a 15-minute chart. We can also watch them on 5-minute chart, and here is the result. You can see the trend line, both the trend lines, they are unchanged, and then too they are trading in the same range. If you watch them in any of the time frames, the trend will not be changed. They will be trading in the same range, in the same trend line, with the same support and resistance. Also, we can watch them on hourly chart. Hourly chart is basically for those who want to hold their positions for tomorrow, for the next day. They can go for hourly chart. So this was the first thing explained about the range of Bank Nifty. The second most important thing is for option writers who are into option selling. Option writers are it helps to generate slow but consistent income. So here are the two strike prices I have added. Those values are now 100 and 96, which are more likely to be erode highly in coming days till expiry. Possibility is both of them to erode till 0 to 1 rupees. Now, why only this two BNF strike price? As I told you, friends, that this is the important, that is the strong support. We can see here. This was the strong support. This last one support is a very strong support, and this one, which is not yet break, this is the strong resistance. It has not yet broke. So we can see the current price is 17286, and a C position, C premium value, which one is 100, the strike price is 18200, and here we can see a strong resistance. It is at 18170. That is, it is very difficult to break this strong resistance. So if the level is not breaking, then the premium value is likely to be erode. It is likely to be zero. Same way, 16400P, the 16400, this one, our strong support, our third support is at 16411, which is very less likely, or in the very rare cases it won't be break, and it will likely to be zero again. So keep watch on these two strike values. See you in the next video, and do cross check our levels with which support and resistance have broke, and this premium prices for option writers. Next time we will try to provide the videos on Wednesday and Thursday also, so that option writer players can enter early. If you find our video useful, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till that time, bye bye, take care and stay safe.